Are you ready to update the look of your home and add value at the same time? If the answer is yes, then you should call Arizona Hardwood. Arizona Hardwood Floor Supply offers gorgeous custom hardwood flooring for a home renovation. With over 30 years of experience in custom wood flooring installation and refinishing, Arizona Flooring Supply has built a reputation for excellence. They carry an extensive array of top brand name products that offer styles from rugged to elegant. With proper installation by their team, these high-quality products perform amazingly well, even in our harsh climate. You can rest assured that whichever product you choose from our hardwood flooring product line has been carefully selected for beauty, durability, and overall superior quality. They offer hundreds of species and styles of custom wood flooring, including oak, Brazilian cherry, teak, mesquite, hickory, cork, maple, American cherry, and walnut. They even have free sample delivery available valley-wide. Not sure which product is best for your project? Their experienced team will work personally with you to make expert recommendations based on your specifications. Do those tired, dull floors need to be restored? They are also the experts at refinishing surfaces, including green installation, new baseboards with installation, moisture sealing, screening, and recoating, sanding, staining, and finishing and deep cleaning of hardwood floors. Their team of professionals deliver the ultimate in durability and beauty to every hardwood flooring project we undertake. Whether large or small, they specialize in providing the best in material, installation, and service at the lowest prices. Call them today at 623-742-9663 or visit their website at azwood.com.